subscriber. Today I'm going to look at two stocks which is sent in from our reader, which is our premium subscriber. The first one you want me to take a look at is, I believe it's TM, okay, Telecom Malaysia. Now Telecom has been really been hyped up a lot by the media. You can hear on the radio station. As such, it's also believed to be a good dividend stocks. Now we are actually at the very critical junction that you can see in here. We have the old high, which is at 5 ringgit, right? And now it's trying to break through, but guess what? The volume are really diminishing in here. It would be nice to get in here at 480 after we had a new high in here. Overall, the trend, you need to, let me switch to a weekly chart and show you. Right now it's broken up high in here, very likely to go higher, okay, because of the news hype. Now that's very important. Now with all this hype, the market has to go higher. If the market can't go higher with all the hype, all the news been in, Maybank may go down. But because of the dividend, it may just hang on to its uptrend. However, it's substantial gain upside. It's not, because everyone has been talking about Telecom Malaysia. So this one is just not gonna move as much. We're very likely to move sideways from here onwards, okay? And so that's how I see it now. So, but if it does break down to $4.70 here, that's on the shorter term, that's your exit point. But I wouldn't want to get in now. Probably if I really want to buy Telecom Malaysia, it will have to be around 495 or 485, around this level. And it hasn't gone up much for Telecom Malaysia. A better bet actually would be actually look at Digi, which I will do it late in the next one. Okay, after the, okay, this is Digi now. Okay, now Digi, they had a dividend payout on the 17th of April. So that was a dividend payout of, I believe, the 7 cent will pay up in March. So that's why the market's not doing anything, because there isn't much sustained activity, at least until March. So the market's going to move sideways. Actually, I'll be more keen to accumulate Digi, because no one is hyping Digi as much as Telecom. That's my personal opinion. When a share that been hyped up a lot, it isn't going to go much, right? And I think most of you, that's the first understanding you have to. Most of the time, when the media and the radio station goes into hyping it still go higher, but there's so much in it because the insider are looking to distribute. I'll be looking for sign of strength or SOS to buy into Digi now that it's moving sideways. That's a good point to be accumulating. Telecom might give it a miss. Now the other one is actually Maxis. There's also a talk about it giving a new dividend, right? Again, Maxis is one of the stocks we had it for long time. We've been buying since the IPO. And if you notice on some of the earlier posting I had, as soon as it broke through the 570, that's a new high we have seen here. So that's a good point to be accumulating. Now this new breakout that we have was due to the announcement of perhaps a higher dividend payout. So this value is going to hold up. So if you are buying at $6 in here, there's not much of an upside from here, but you're just there to collect dividend. You have to be buying when the dividend announcement be made and after dividend. I mean the same thing. Let me show you another dividend stocks, which is FNN. The dividend was announced somewhere around here, okay, I believe, and then subsequently was paid out also around here. You just have to check the dividend date. So you can see the dividend went straight all the way down, and we were buying a little bit here, 17.20. Today was very interesting. I think there was maybe perhaps some error in here. Market went down to 17.20, but it did close back up to about $18 in here. So looks like FNN is going to high. So if you want to buy any stocks, look to buy after the dividend, which is much better. And then at that time you will see, look for sign of strength and hold on for slightly longer, but collect the dividend and collect the gain. So that's all I have for the for the two stocks, Telecom Malaysia and Digi. Okay.